Hi, my name's Jason Smith and I'm the RV Sales Manager for Australian Operations here at Tourism Holdings. Today I'm standing in front of a KEA HiTop. We sell these vehicles both new and pre-owned straight out of our factory and also through our rentals department to give you any number of customisation options. As this vehicle comes out the back, one of the first things we do is make sure that we go through the paint and panel process and mark up any major damage on the vehicle that needs to be attended to, whether it be a bonnet, a roof, side panels, bumpers, any part of the vehicle where there's major cosmetic damage, to ensure that when it gets to you it looks the best it possibly can. We also go over and just make sure that the interior of the vehicle is up to scratch, look at any parts lists that need to be done for that particular vehicle and take our time doing that to make sure we don't miss anything. We go right over the vehicle, we look at things like bench tops, cushions, curtains, sinks, ovens, fridges and anything else that might need attention to make sure that we do get it at the time, order the parts list and then send this vehicle off to paint and panel. Once it comes back from paint and panel, we then go through the vehicle in great detail mechanically to make sure that the vehicle has been serviced. Any issues that need to be attended to are done. Things like tyres, windscreen, they're all attended to as well, and the vehicle is brought up to what we call our brand standards, which are very important to us. So we make sure that the vehicle has all those things done, and then the final part of the refurbishment process is the in-house refurbishment, where one of our trained technicians goes inside the vehicle and uses the parts list that we have to then fit things like bench tops, fridges, new cushions, curtains, cabinetry, any modifications the customer may require are also able to be done at that point in time to make sure that this vehicle presents at the other end as well as it possibly can. Once the vehicle is finished, we then look at things like decals, what sort of accessories we can fit to the vehicle, what's going to suit our potential buyer of this particular vehicle, like a different awning, an oven, window tinting, tow bars, those sorts of things, just to make sure that this vehicle is really personalised for you, which is one of the things we pride ourselves on here at THL and KEA, is to make sure this vehicle really pops for you as a customer. Our local certified dealers are there to help you go through this process. It's really important to us that you drive away happy and that you love your KEA vehicle. So when you are on the road and your friends are saying, "Where did I get that from?" you'll say that you got a KEA vehicle from THL. So go to keamotorhomes.com.au to find your local certified KEA dealer and make sure that we see you on the road soon.